stop her from coming in, but we'll let her in.
Oh my god! She's okay, guys.
Hey, I wonder what's in the cupboard. I need some coffee or something, maybe. Oh!
Oh my god, what do you want? This?
High five. High five. Put her there. Give me some skin.
Claw is our master. Claw chooses who will go and who will stay. I have been chosen. Farewell, my friends. I go on to a better place.
I just have one question. Do you know what a pain in the ass is?
Yeah.
Are you a pain in the ass?
Yeah.
Baby man, little baby man, little baby man, little baby man.
You know, I live in my college dorm with my cat, and she's always sitting at this door like something is there, and it freaks me out. And I learned the other day it's because people like to sit here and play with the cat under the goddamn door. Oh my god, now come back. No.
Our cat does not like the fact that we're all home quarantined. She's like, why are you in my house? Sorry. Oh. Okay.
Every goddamn morning when I call you in here, you stand outside the door like this and stare at me like I'm on crack when you're the one who looks like you're on crack, my good lady.